In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by launching Play Store and getting this app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started, select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then tap on Allow. Then Allow only while using. Allow again, and finally decide if you wish to stick with your current wallpaper or apply suggested Apple one. Whatever you decided, when you finish, hit Finish. Close and add. Click on Set as Default and tap on Launcher Pro. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!